What up, big loopers? Today started pretty bad. Our app, Bigloop, lost a user's loops because of a database crash. Yes, pretty uncool of our database structure to do that. But here's what went down. We realized our app wasn't saving data properly. Think of writing a crucial letter and someone grabs your pen halfway. You're left with a confusing mess, right? That's exactly what's been happening to our data occasionally. So, how do we fix that? Well, we learned about something called atomic rights today, which basically we now first save our data to a temporary safe spot and only swap it with the real file once everything checks out perfectly. Think of it like writing a letter safely in pencil first and then tracing over it with a pen only when you know it's flawless. So, yeah, atomic rights, we're going to be implementing that this weekend. And we have tried pretty much every storage option out there. We started with CloudKit, which sounded great until it kept randomly wiping our users' data. We then, I'm pretty sure we still have some Swift data implemented, which is modern and sleek, but kind of inherited some of CloudKit's bad habits. But yeah, Swift data basically is like core data, but it's just the updated version of similar function to how core data works for iOS 17 and on. SQLite, very reliable, but a ton of manual work and pretty complicated syncing. Firebase, which was solid syncing, but your data is pretty much in Google's hands. You might be okay with that, but we like our users to have a little bit more privacy with what they do with their data. So, what is our magical solution for the app? We've kind of landed on a simple JSON file, just pretty basic, but here's the beauty in it. They're stored openly in your iCloud drive, which you have full control over. You can see them, back them up, and even edit them, which, yeah, complete transparency and control on the user's end. So once you do the little bit of onboarding, learning the Bigloop system, you'll see how easy it is to import and export your data. But yeah, we didn't stop there. We built layers of backups as well, making sure that your data is always safe, combined with this new atomic writing method that we're building in this weekend. Losing data will be hopefully nearly impossible in Bigloop, but we will see about that. Today's crash was super lame, but it taught me something pretty valuable. The best solution isn't always the fanciest solution, and it's about keeping your data safe and accessible. So, with that, that's today's video of our 1% improvements, just learning about database storage and trying to implement a better process and structure into our app, Bigloop. But I would love to know, what storage nightmares have you faced? Please drop some comments below if you feel inclined, and thanks for watching. Take care.